What's the meaning of Boeing 747? Boeing 747. Boeing 747.
Boeing 747. Boeing 747. The Boeing 747 is a large, long-range, wide-body commercial airliner designed and manufactured by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It was first introduced in 1970 and has since become one of the most recognizable and iconic aircraft in history. The 747 has been used for both passenger and cargo transportation, and its distinctive hump on the upper deck has made it a symbol of modern air travel. With a maximum seating capacity of over 600 passengers, the 747 has played a pivotal role in connecting people and goods across the world.